We're back in Hollywood Studios after having a nice little rest.
I feel like a second home at the minute.
Yeah, we were here yesterday and put in a bloody shit ton of after sun on. Oh my god, I'm so... We're really, really burnt. Luckily I have some very high coverage foundation, but my face is actually a lobster. It's not as bad as... My face is worse than yours. Yours is a bit red.
Yeah.
My back, my arms. You can see on my right arm where my magic band is now, but I had the tappy one earlier. You can see how badly burnt I got there. It's just really horrible. And my nanny would be upset because I had sun cream on, obviously, but we were saying the thing with water parks is, and obviously this goes hand in hand with dehydration as well, that it's really hard to make sure that your sun cream like stays on and that you're safe, because you're in and out of the like slides all the time and whatnot, so it's just really hard. And then dehydration wise, again, we had to keep going back to our locker to get a drink, which was just a bit of a faff really, when we just wanted to like keep getting everything over and done with. So
the thing I found was also it is very open.
Yeah, there isn't shade. There's not shade at all. Like the only shade there is a little bit, well there was a little bit in some of the seated areas, but that's literally about it. So it was quite hard, but we're now, we've had a couple of photos as we came into Hollywood Studios, because we were saying we feel like we haven't actually done anything much at all this holiday, even though, yeah, even though we have. I think because last time we spent a week doing everything, now we feel stressed out because we haven't done a lot. No, we have. It probably just feels different because everything hasn't been crammed into one, so we're now trying to get like a bunch of photos, so I better...
Just feel like we haven't achieved much doing.
Yeah. No, I think we have though.
We have, but
just
that feeling.
Yeah. Yeah, through a little time. But we're now going to have photos and then go on Tower of Terror, and then we'll be back.
Next little family right there. You want to stand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Right there.
Here we go!
There we go. Got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
So we just met Buzz. How do you feel about that, Hayden?
Love it.
Love
Buzz.
Love Buzz. And we're now using our fast pass on Toy Story Mania before we go to dinner.
Well, I feel sad that Woody and Jessie queue is so long.
Yeah, so long. It's actually ridiculous. It's really cool, this new entrance. I do love a good old line. I think we get...
Yeah, the old one weren't too bad, but it's definitely...
Yeah, because it was obviously on the other side, wasn't it?
I love these. The Uno cars.
Oh, aircon. Look, just feel it. Look at it around here.
I love it. It's so different.
Oh look, Peter Pan. Turn wheel. That is cool, I love that. Yeah,
They have the best today and best in month.
Hey, howdy, hey! Welcome to our practice game.
Just pull the string.
What's the time? Play, everyone. Now you get the score
That's
point.
the practice round. Game on from now though, girl.
The animals. If you want to do further, think higher. Keep the fox out of the henhouse.
So I'm now in the lead with that game going over on. I like that idea, though. That glass. You beat me on that game.
I'm definitely better at this one than I am. I love that game. It's so good. Hidden one, but it was fun. Yeah, I always put you up. It was really, really fun. I forget how much I felt. I prefer this one to Buzz, mainly because you've got the different games, like different sections, and I'm better at it.
And it tells you how many
Yeah.
The good thing I have as well is there's a couple of times where we can progress on to the next game. So they let you play that as the main game for no points.
Yeah, just to like practice. And then there's another thing I like in there is for, I think it's child swap and people in wheelchairs, I think. They have like a separate entrance and load on point for them that like comes off of the tracks and then loads back onto the tracks away from the main one, so it means that they don't have to worry about like rushing on or off. They can just sort of get on at their own leisure and get off at their own leisure.
Everybody else
Yeah, which I think is a really good idea.
I love the exit here.
Yeah, you can tell that there's a lot of thought into that, so I really like that idea.
And now it starts to
Yeah, it's now starting to rain. Oh, really good, it's that rain. So we're going to head over to our diner reservation. We're in 50's prime time diner, I think.
Yep. Near the entrance.
Near the entrance, so we're going to head over there. We've got about 10 minutes to get over there, so we better get our better get our butts moving. We've just had dinner at 50's prime time diner cafe, whichever one it was, and I didn't vlog in there because I was too scared. She told me off for being on my phone, so I thought better not whack a camera out, but it was amazing in there. Oh, that was so I don't like it. Oh, stop it.
Maybe
Yes, anyway, the food was incredible. Absolutely 10 out of 10. Our server Lena, she was incredible. I had Aunt Liz's chicken. That was amazing. Like, there was so much chicken. And it was roasted garlic mashed potatoes. Amazing. What did you have, Hayden?
I had that pork, which had potatoes, chops, I can't remember what else was on there now.
Roasted potatoes, I think, but we're now. It's so busy. Oh, right. We're now leaving Hollywood Studios and we're gonna get the bus back to the get the bus to the hotel, and then I'm gonna have a shower.
I love how they got lightsabers as their light sticks.
I love it. I didn't notice that. Yeah, we're going to go up to the hotel, have a shower to warm up, and go to bed because we've got early start tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. So I'll end today's vlog here.